Hi guys, welcome back. Let's learn how to easily block a Roblox user on Mac and Windows PC. Blocking someone on Roblox is a pretty effective way to avoid unwanted interactions such as messages, friend requests, or in-game communication. So, if you're using a Mac or Windows PC, you can block a specific player quickly through their profile page. That's it. Let me show you how it's done the right way. So first you have to launch the Roblox app on your device, and then you have to sign into your Roblox account if you are not already logged in. After logging in, you have to locate the search bar at the top of the page and type the username of the player you would like to block. And when the search results appear, click on the correct profile to open that user's profile page. Then you have to look for the three-dot menu near the top right area of the user's profile. This menu contains additional account interaction options. Now you have to click on the three dots to open the drop-down list of actions available for that user. From the list of options, select the block user option. Once you click on it, a confirmation message will appear asking if you are sure you want to block that particular player. Now you have to click on the block option again to confirm your decision and complete the process. And that's pretty much it. It's worth pointing out that after a particular user has been blocked, they will no longer be able to send you messages, friend requests, or interact with you through chats. This feature helps maintain a safer and more comfortable experience while playing your favorite Roblox games. And if you ever want to unblock someone later, you can just head over to your account privacy settings, find the blocked users list, and remove the person from the block list. And that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily block a particular user in Roblox on your Mac or Windows PC. Now that you have unlocked this pretty helpful feature, make the most of it as and when the need arrives. And I'll catch you up in the next one.